Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Max Linear Inequalities exercise 3.6 question number 13. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve it by graph. Here the given inequalities are 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 60, y is greater than or equal to 2x, x is greater than or equal to 3, x comma y is greater than or equal to 0. Now we can't do the graph in inequality, so we are going to take it in solution. That is, let us consider this to be 4x plus 3y is equal to 60. Here y is equal to 2x, x is equal to 3, here x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0, x equal to 0, or the line on the x-axis and y-axis. We'll just substitute the other points to find the solution for the graph. Here for the linear graph, here x and y, taking x to be 0, your y will be equal to 20. Taking y to be 0, your x will be equal to 15. Now for this, taking x 0, your y will be equal to 2. Taking x 5, because I have taken the graph, here we are getting in 5 tables, so I am taking 5, this will be equal to 10. As x is equal to 3, if you substitute any point of y, your x will be equal to 3. This is the graph on the x-axis and y-axis, so no need to plot any points on it. Now we'll mark the rest of the graph 0, 20. I have taken in 5 tables so that for me it will be easy for me to plot the points. So 0, 20 is here, 15, 0 is here. So join the point, extend the line. This is your first equation. Next 0, 2. Five, 10. This is your second graph. Next 3, 0. Three, 1. So this will be your third graph. Now take any point. I am going to take 0, 0. Substitute. I am going to substitute it on all the inequality graph, going to check whether it satisfies the solution or not. If I take 0, 0, here substitute 0, 0. If I substitute 0, 0 here, 0 is less than or equal to 60. See only the less than and greater than symbol. 0 is less than 60 is true. Here 0, substituting 0 you will not get any value, so I am going to take 1, 1 for it. If I take 1, here 1 is greater than or equal to 2. 1 is greater than or equal to 2 is false. Because if I substitute 0, 0, it will be both are same. So I am just changing the value 1, 1. Here for the, this is false here. For the third one, if we substitute the value 0 here, 0, 0 point here, it will be 0 is greater than or equal to 3. Even this is false. So only here it satisfies the point 0, 0 satisfies the equation. Therefore, this is towards the, this point will be towards the shaded region will be towards the point. This is your first graph. The shaded region should be towards the point. So this is your shaded region. Now for the second one, it is false. Your second equation is here. As it is false, this should be away. So your shaded region will be of this region. It should be away. And for the third one, it is false. So your shaded region will be, I have taken 0, 0, so it will be of this side. These are the common region where both get. These are the common region where all of them meet. So we can write, when it is true, the shaded region should be towards the point if it is false, the shaded region should be away from the point. So the common shaded region will give you the solution. Therefore, the common shaded region of all the three, common shaded region of the graph shows the solution of the inequalities. Shows the solution of the inequalities. You need to write the conclusion always. So this is the final answer and this will be your graph. That's all with the sum. Thank you.